Hi everyone, in this video we will present the estimation of the parameters of the Vasicek model using two methods, least squares and maximum likelihood. In the Vasicek model, short-term interest rates are assumed to follow a mean reverting stochastic process. The model involves three parameters to be estimated: A, the speed of reversion; B, the long-term mean; and sigma, the instantaneous volatility. We will present two methods for estimating the parameters, least squares and maximum likelihood. Let's start with the least squares estimation. First, we discretize the process using the Euler-Maruyama discretization. The equation can be rewritten as following. Alpha and beta can be estimated using the least squares method, and we can then derive estimates of A and B from them. Sigma is estimated from the variance of the residual xi. The maximum likelihood estimation can be obtained directly by resolving the stochastic differential equation. Knowing RT, the solution of the SDE RT plus delta t has the following expression. Conditionally to RT plus delta t follows a normal distribution, and the probability distribution has the following expression. On the partition of time t0 tn, the log likelihood is given by the logarithm of the product of the probability distribution. And you can easily verify that it has the following expression. The parameters A, B, and sigma that maximize the log likelihood are given by these formulas. Let's test it in Python. First, we create a function to simulate a Vasicek process with Euler-Maruyama discretization. We simulate here 20 paths. We want to estimate the three unknown model parameters A, B, and sigma with A equals 0.5, B equals 3%, and sigma equals 1%. For that, we simulate one path with these unknown parameters. This is our historical dataset. First, we estimate the three parameters with least squares. We see that the estimates of B and sigma are quite close to their true values, while the estimation error for parameter A is a bit larger. We obtain similar estimates with maximum likelihood, which is expected since the two methods are equivalent when the model errors are normally distributed. Therefore, if we had computed the maximum likelihood estimator directly on the discretized model obtained via the Euler-Maruyama scheme, we would have obtained exactly the same estimates as with least squares. If you simulate several paths, you will observe that the estimates of B and sigma are quite stable, unlike the estimate of A, which can be more difficult to estimate accurately in practice. Thank you for your time.